good morning from Candolim Beach here in Goa. Day 3 of my ride to Goa, IBW. Today will be day 2 of IBW actually. It's a Saturday and we just went to Fort Aguada and came to the beach for some breakfast. Exciting day ahead, day 2 of IBW. Stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates of all my videos. So this is the property we're staying. This is Casaflip, I think it's called. I got the name right. And here's a quick view of the same. They have a beautiful small pool. There's a bigger pool on the other side. So there are houses all around, and center we have a nice open space. Very well maintained property. The rooms cross, and due to the India Bike Week we have a lot of bikes today, and that's my bike there. A lot of bikes around. So this is in between Calagute and Baga beach. I used to come here a lot earlier. The banana shack. It's been ages since I came to this particular place in Goa. So also follow me on social media. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet and my Facebook fan page also is Djmahaneet. And my two-liner for today advice would be: do what you love what you do. Cheers. Well, this is day 2 of India Bike Week 2023. Right now here at India Bike Week, we went over a huge area. A lot of people. The activity got started. Right now we were just walking around. A lot of bikes. This is the Harley Davidson stall. Check this out. As well as the long projector and